Hey guys, this is Brad, and as you can see it's raining outside today, so I figured I'd show you a super simple interior mod for your 3rd Gen Tacoma. This is by TVD Vinyls, and they make a lot of really cool products for the Tacoma as well as the Tundra and 4Runner, and for different makes like Ford, Ram, and Chevy. Alright, this is what comes in with the door handle and vent ring wrap kit, along with the instructions, but today we're just going to be focusing on installing the door handle covers. All you're going to need to install these is a bowl, some microfiber cloths, some isopropyl alcohol, and some dish soap, and lastly some masking tape. To start this install, start by adding a few drops of your dish soap to your bowl and begin filling it with water. The next thing you're going to want to do is start cleaning your door handles with the isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. Any oils or contaminants on the door handles will prevent the vinyl from fully adhering to the door handle, so you're going to want to make sure to clean all 4 of these really well. Next, to start the install process, you're going to want to take a small piece of masking tape and gently lift the vinyl off of the backing paper and then dip it into the soapy water solution. The soapy water will help you slide the decal across the surface so that you can properly align it to the door handle. Start the alignment process, you're going to want to line up this top corner here before moving along the bottom of the decal and aligning it with the bottom of the door handle. Line the decal so that no chrome on the door handle is showing, and smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles you see. Do not fold the top portion of the decal behind the door handle until it is fully dry. Repeat these steps on all 4 sides until all 4 vinyl decals have been applied.
You know who made it.
After all the decals are applied, set a timer for 1 hour. This is how long they will take to dry. While they are drying, you can blot them with a microfiber cloth to get rid of any excess moisture. Once they are completely dry, you can now smooth out any additional wrinkles and begin folding back the top layer of the decal over the door handle.
You know who made it.
Once you are done applying the decals and they are fully dry, you can trim off the excess material on the back of the door handle. Well guys, that concludes our install of the wet application process of our vinyl door handle wraps. So make sure you check out tvdvinyls.com to pick up a set of your own.